One of our favorite things to do here at Mariposa is called our Magic Package, and it was actually designed based on the concerns that the majority of women come in and voice to us, which is, you know, my neck is starting to give way, it's looking a little lax, it's looking a little saggy, my jawline isn't what it used to be, or they complain that I've got these wrinkles and this texture that showed up out of nowhere, seemingly overnight, of course. They also have lost some volume. They feel like they're looking a little tired, a little sad. So between volume loss and laxity and skin changes, these were all the same concerns that we were hearing over and over and over again. So we created a package comprised of all of our best treatments to specifically target each of these concerns. So when a person comes in and they have an interest in our Magic Package, it's very individualized. It's not cookie cutter, and I don't do the same for this patient as I do for this patient because all the concerns are a little bit different. But everything in our package will address tightening. For some patients that might be ThermiTight. For someone else it might mean Ultherapy. For someone else it might mean ThermiSmooth. All of these are great techniques and great treatments that will address tightening of the neck, of the jawline, maybe even a little elevation of the brow. It depends what that person needs, but there's a tightening treatment that's included in this package. We also individualize the skin rejuvenation component of the package. For someone that's dealing with a lot of deep lines, maybe some acne scarring, more advanced aging, we would offer Fraxel or Pearl Fractional, something that's a little bit more aggressive to address those concerns. Someone that comes in perhaps maybe 35, 36, starting to see some changes, but they're really not that advanced. We don't need to go that far out to get them a great result. We can do some aging gracefully treatments, limelight, laser genesis, address some sun damage, even out their skin tone, really lighten and brighten their complexion, and they're gonna look fantastic without having to do the same thing as we might have done for someone else. We also volumize as a part of this package. For some, maybe a little bit in the temple to help kind of tighten up the upper face, lift the brow a little bit. For someone else, we may need to do a little bit in the cheek and the mid-face to kind of lift that. Also back in here where we can pull back and help to restore the jawline, soften up the marionette area here. It's very individualized for each person's face, exactly what filler, what volumizing they may need, but it's also in the package. So you have volumizing, skin rejuvenation, and tightening, all as a part of this one package, but it's individualized versus doing them 1 year I'm going to tighten, 1 year I'm going to do this, 1 year I'm going to do that. The problem with doing it in that way is it's hard to get that wow result because by the time that you get to your second thing, this one's already maybe half done. You know, it's halfway metabolized away. You don't get the full effect of both. When you do it as a package like that, everything is completed within approximately 3 months. And so it's cumulative, and at the end of that 3 months, it's like, oh my goodness, wow, look at the difference between my before and my after, and you get to enjoy all of it for several years before you have to maintenance each of those individual things. Maintenance can be done much easier in a less expensive way than, say, a package of corrective treatments all at once. So it truly does have that magical look to it when you put it in a package like that, but you individualize it to each person. So give us a call and come on in and let us see how to craft a package that will work best for you.